It one is y equal 1 divided by 1 minus x squared. Then first of all you have to multiply this to this side. Then y within bracket 1 minus x squared equals to 1. Okay, you can do the cross multiplication in here. Because in here is minus 1, sorry, here is 1. Then if you multiply this 1 by 1, the answer is 1. There is no difference. Then okay, then I want to remove this y. I want to remove this y. So what I want to do is I want to divide this side by y and this side also by y. Y to y get cancelled. Then answer is 1 minus x squared equal 1 divided by 5. Then okay, then here is plus 1. To remove this plus 1, I'm going to add minus 1 to the both sides. Plus 1 minus 1 minus x squared equal y divided by, sorry, 1 divided by y is the additional part. Then minus 1. What happened then? Then these terms are get cancelled. Then minus x squared equal 1 divided by y minus 1. Then you have to remove this minus sign. What you have to do? You have to multiply this by plus 1 and this side also by plus 1. Sorry, minus 1. Minus 1. Then minus 1 into minus x squared mean plus x squared equal minus 1 into 1 divided by y mean minus 1 divided by y. Then minus 1 into minus 1 mean plus 1. Plus 1. We usually keep
So
plus.
x cube nede.
Not x cube. But I mean, this is x squared, no? Wait. Here it is multiplication, okay? This is not x. It's multiplication. When you multiply by 1, the answer is same. But if you multiply 2x by minus 1, the answer is 2x. If you multiply 2x squared by, sorry, minus 2x squared by minus 1, the answer is 2x squared. If you multiply 3x squared by minus 1, the answer is x squared. The answer is same, but the sign change. Clear? Clear or no? Shall I explain it again? No, I didn't get to. Are you clear or no? Okay, I will do it again.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, can't we divide minus 1, sorry, minus x squared by minus 1
yeah, you can divide.
without multiplying?
Yeah, you can divide. But the thing is, this going to be a bit complicated. That's why I'm not going to divide it. The easiest way is the multiplication. If you want, I will do. Okay, wait. After this one, I will divide it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can divide, no issue. Gina, did you understand that part?
Understood.
Okay. Then we usually keep plus signs in the front of any expression. So I can write x squared equal 1 minus 1 divided by I. Then we have to make the subject x no. So I should remove this x squared. To remove this x squared, I'm going to add square root here. Then what happened? This to this get cancelled, and our answer is x equal square root of 1 minus 1 divided by y. This is the answer. This is the answer. Tell me if you want any explanation in any step. If you can master this type of things, actually you can easily do the maths and physics part in this SFT syllabus. You can easily do that part. Okay, then I'm going to divide it. Okay, here minus x squared equal 1 divided by 1 divided by y, then minus 1. Then I'm going to divide this. Okay, x squared divided by minus 1 equal here 1 divided by y. I will write it like this. Did you understand this part? 1 divided by minus 1 means?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 divided by minus 1. Minus 1
Sir, how come multiplication needed?
multiplication means actually I put multiplication for the to make you understand it very easier, but I think it is get complicated, no? Wait.
Yes.
Then think like this. You have to divide this x, okay? X by 2. Then can't I write this part like this? X into 1 divided by 2.
Cancel.
I have written this like in this manner. Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. However, 1 divided by minus 1 means it is actually become minus 1. Okay. That's why I told you if you divide or if you multiply, the answer is same. Then here it is minus 1. Then I am going to okay. Then I can easily divide this by minus 1. Okay. Minus 1. Then what happened? X square divided by minus 1 mean minus x square divided by minus 1 mean it become x squared equal here this y become minus. Okay, this y become minus. Then minus 1 divided by minus 1 mean plus 1. Actually we do not keep sign like this. Okay, sign like this.
Okay.
This should be rewritten like this manner. X squared equal
Okay.
1 divided by y. The sign should be in here. Plus 1. Can you see?
Okay, sir. Got it.
They both answers are same. Then do the ninth one. Give me a second. Do the ninth part. Given you have done some steps are correct, but that's the wrong part.
So I can't understand the sum. Can you do it?
Okay. Okay, I will do it. That's why I told you this getting more and more complicated. Here a equal b divided by 2 minus c. Okay, a equals b divided by 2 minus c plus d. So I told you for as the first step you have to remove any addition or subtraction part. If there is anything in the your expression, so there is a plus d, no? There's a plus d. So I should remove this plus d as the first step. Then a equal b divided by 2 minus c plus d. Then I put minus d to here. Then here also I put minus d. Then what happened? This minus d and plus d are get cancelled. Then we will get a minus d equal b divided by 2 minus c. Okay, then this is a fraction, no? There is 1 as the denominator in here. Then I can do the cross multiplication. I can do the cross multiplication. So what I'm going to do is I multiply this b by 1. That means the answer is same, is b. Then a minus d multiplied by 2 minus c. 2 minus c. 2 minus c. As the next step, I am going to remove this a minus d from this side. From this side. So what I am going to do is I put a bracket and divide the whole expression by a minus d and equal this side also by a minus d. And what happens? This a minus d and a minus d are get cancelled. Then we will remain 2 minus c in the left side, and for the right side b divided by a minus d. Now this is cc. We have to subject the c, no? Then this is plus 2 in here. So I will keep, so I will add minus 2 to here. Then again minus 2 to here also. And what happen? This minus 2 and this plus 2 get cancelled. Here minus c remain, and in the left so right side b divided by a minus d minus 2. Then to remove this minus c, I am going to multiply this both side by minus 1. Minus 1. Then our answer is minus c into minus 1 mean it is plus c equal, then minus 1 into b divided by a minus d mean minus b divided by a minus d. Then minus 2 into minus 1 mean it is plus 2. This is the answer. Then actually I told you we usually keep plus signs in front of the expression. So you can rewrite this like c equal 2 minus b a minus d. Actually this is not necessary, okay? It's not necessary. But if you can write like this manner, it is actually professional. But you will get the answer for this one also. You will get 100% mark for this one. But if you can rewrite like this, it is actually professional. Okay, any step you cannot understand?
No, sir, understood.
Gina, what about you?
No, sir, understood.
Okay, then you can do the 10th one, the last one. You have to do this at home, okay, as much as possible, because this is the basic for your maths and physics part. Actually, our first lesson is area and volume. We need this knowledge for that lesson. Another thing, I have planned a free paper class for you. That means for 20 to 27 students, a free paper class. After the first and second lesson, I will start it. It will be also around 1:30 to 2 hour class. Let's see. Then I have planned a special photo protocol for 20 to 27 student. I will let you know when you are doing the first lesson. Special protocol means actually I want you to give the best result. Okay, that's why I'm introducing that kind of thing. Only A's and B's. I want all the guys to get A and B's, because only 2% will get A and B in SFT subject. Actually, that will be a bit hard, but if you can follow this protocol, you will get, definitely you will able to get A or a B. I can guarantee that now. Then try the last one.
Sir,
Yeah.
is it x equals 3 into bracket b minus a?
No, no, no. Actually, there is a very big missing part in your answer.
Is it half?
Not half, not half. The last week also you did that mistake. That is not the half.
sir.
Yeah, finished.
X equals 3 bracket b minus a divided by minus 2 into half.
No, not half. Half is wrong. Any answer? Okay, I will do that one. And a minus is equal b. We have to make the subject as x, no? Okay, then as the first step, we have to remove this part because there's a subtraction, no? Then I'm going to add plus a to this side. Wait. I'm going to add minus a, okay? This is originally minus. So this is originally plus. So that's why I'm going to add minus a to this side. And this plus a minus 2 into square root of x divided by 3 equal b, and this is the additional part minus a. What happened? This minus and plus are get cancelled, and our answer is minus 2 square root of x divided by 3 equals a minus a. Then I can easily do the cross multiplication. In here I can't do the cross multiplication, okay, because there is a that means a subtract or a minus this part, no, in that case, so I cannot do any cross multiplication, but in here I can do that one. Then our answer is minus 2 square root of x equal 3 into within bracket b minus a. Then in the square root of x there is a minus 2. To remove this minus 2, I am going to divide this by minus 2 and this side also by minus 2. Then minus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Then square root of x equal 3 divided by 2. Here it is minus b minus a. Then to remove this square root, actually the opposite sign of the square root is square. Square root of square root is square. Then I am going to square both sides. Then square to the square root get cancelled. Then x equal 3 divided by 2 is minus, then b minus a. So has to be squared. This is the answer. Tell me whether any ununderstandable step in here. Anything you need to explain again? Do you want me to explain it again? Another? What about you?
Understood, sir.
So එතන divide කරනවා plus 2 නේද එන්නේ?
කොතන divide වුණොත්
minus 2
Minus 2 divided by minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Think like this. What is the answer when you divide 3 by 3?
9.
3 by 3? No, when you divide 3 by 3, divide, okay?
1.
It is 1. Then what happens when you divide minus 3 by minus 3?
Minus 1.
No, actually it is plus 1, okay? It is plus 1. When you multiply your divide, minus sign, it automatically become plus. So, in here, when you divide minus 2 by minus 2, what is the answer? When you divide minus 2 by minus 2?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. When you multiply plus 1 by square root of x, what is the answer? You multiply plus 1 by square root
Plus
of
x.
not plus x. It is square root x, no? This is, however, this is plus square root of x. Clear or no?
Yes.
Okay. And here it is, there is no plus 2 answer, okay? When you divide minus 2 by minus 2, it is plus 1. Okay, if you have finished writing, let's move to the next part. It's 9 o'clock. Okay, I will do another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I will move to the next part. Tell me whether do you know how to expand this kind of expression? This kind of thing. The thing is, you have to multiply every term like this. X plus 3, here it is x plus 7. Then you have to multiply x by x, that means x squared. Then again x by 7, then plus 7x. Then 3 by x mean plus 3x. Then 3 by 7 mean plus 21. This is like this, simple. Then you have to add the like terms. X squared, here it is 7x and 3x, because x are there. When you add 7x to 3x, it is 10x plus 21, like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Ginada, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then try the next one. When you have minus sign, you have to be very, very careful. Okay, you have to be very careful. I will give a summary like this. When you multiply minus 1 by minus 1, it is plus 1. Okay, when you divide minus 1 by minus 1, it